Alright everybody, here's your core bites number 118. The first one says choose the two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. So basically, you're going to have to do trial and error, okay? So if you know your multiplication, you know that 144 divided by 8 gives you 18. That also means you could also do 144 divided by 18 gives you 8. Okay, so those are the only factors that work together to give you that total of 144. For number 2, find the difference of the two numbers. That means you're going to subtract. So your largest number is 175,475 minus 12,079, and make sure you line them up by their place value. So then start from the right, and you will have to regroup. So you're going to have to go all the way to the 4. That'd be a 3. That would be a 17, make it a 16. And then make that a 15. So 15 minus 9, that would give you 6. 16 minus 7 would give you 9. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. So your answer is 163,396. For the next one, where would 7/10 be on the number line? So 65 hundredths, 75 hundredths. Okay? So if you're going between them, half of that would be the 0.7. So it would be a B, because it's halfway between both of those. Sketch an angle that would measure 135 degrees. So it's going to have to be more than 90, but less than 180. So something similar to that would work, because you're measuring the angle right there. And then for your last one, what is represented by the following? This is what we call a ray, because it starts here, goes that way. So think of the sun, like sunlight, sun rays, going from the center of the sun out into the galaxy, out into the solar system. That's the way to think about it.